What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Nillkin reached out and said did I want to take a look at the Bumperlink keyboard case. I of course said absolutely send it over, but at this point I didn't know I was going to get rid of the iPad Pro. So it comes with a metal camera cover. It's for AP iPad Pro 13 2024. Nillkin branding all around it, shows you what the bumper keyboard case looks like, and of course flip it over. Digital brand for smart and simple life is what Nillkin is. Features: backlight system allows efficiency working at night. Silent keys let you record during meetings, lectures without interference. Reasonable key layout provides comfortable typing experience. Adjustable bracket, large touchpad, patented camera cover, and a magnetic detachable design. If I go ahead and get out the trusty unboxing knife. So as you can see, anti-bending PC backplate, strong magnetic attraction, accurate alignment, backlit keyboard, magnetic detachable design, long life battery. So let's swipe this open. Let's take a look at what you get inside the box. So you get what looks like a ginormous MagSafe magnet. We'll check that out in a sec. Remove this, remove that. There, I'm assuming, is the keyboard case. So we'll place that underneath for a second, and then inside here you have your USB Type-C cable. There's Bumperlink keyboard case all around it, and it looks just, this is going to be a USB-C cable. And let's see, snap hold ultra magnetic sticker is what this is. So if I rip it open, just so we can see it. Let's have a look. So yeah, discover innovation, Nillkin branding. It's quite weighty. You peel this off and apply the magnetic sticker. Apply to walls or other fixed surfaces with this guy right here. So yeah, so there's that. So nothing else in the box apart from this. So this right here will be the keyboard case. So let's take it out and take a look. Okay, so fairly big flap on this side right there to keep it closed. Magnet on this side, so I'm assuming the other magnet will sit on top of that. Another magnet, another flap here, which releases the bumper case with the slide lock for the camera. Okay, so there's that, and then if we remove these, so there we go. So, don't know. I don't know whether I'd class clicky. That's clicky, but I wouldn't say that was silent. I mean, enough for working at night, maybe on your knee. I don't know about that one. It's a tricky one. But let's bring in the trusty final time for the 13-inch iPad Pro. So that's in there. So cut out for your speakers and your charge port. Cut out for your speakers on the top, and what I'm assuming will be your mic. And then you have a Apple Pencil holder on the very top right there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to sit it on like so, I'm assuming. Slap it against that. Oh, I see. So on the back right here is the stand. So that's a nice idea. That's really, really good. So it's going to stand up like so, and then you're going to be able to type out and do anything you want to do. And that's how it's going to sit. I'm assuming you can have it in different orientation. You can move it up a little bit. You can lay it down a bit further. And yeah, so that's basically how it's going to sit. That's pretty nice, to be honest. It feels good. And then if you fold it down like so, fold that down, fold that back across, and it sits in, and then that's what you're going to end up with. Now it does cover a fit. It's a bit weighty. I will say it's quite weighty. It adds a lot of weight to the iPad. But there is your USB-C and your, by the looks of it, your on-off button for your keyboard. Anything on this side? So not much on this side, but easy access to your power button through the bumper case. Nillkin branding on the bottom right there. access to your camera right there if you really want it, but you can just keep it covered, you know. And then it says discover innovation right there, but then this is where it comes in. It's got that nice felt flap, and it's going to sit like so, you know. Say you want to watch content or whatever, you're going to be able to sit just like that. But it does add a fair footprint to the iPad Pro already, which is a fair big size anyway, with it being 13-inch. But if you like that and you're looking for that, how can we put it, that laptop experience, then you just do like emails, you know, a bit of work on some apps or whatever, then this could be the case for you. I think it feels great, looks nice, it's got some crazy drop protection, and you got the keyboard attached, and of course it's backlit too, so you know, if you open it up like so, switch it on, as you can see it's all lit up, and keyboard connection F and C, operation steps. You'll be able to fold that out and not have to worry about it, and it's a fair nice rest where your hands rest, to be honest. It feels good, really nice. It is really nice. The pencil is actually charging, so it's recognised the Apple Pencil because there's no rubber sat there, so you're going to be able to, it just sits on top of the iPad, which is great. So there's that. So if we go to settings and we go to Bluetooth's on, it's showing up as a Bluetooth keyboard. Click connect. It's now connected. So if we go for, let's say, a note, and let's open up a new note. Oh, you know what? It works quite well. Yeah, it works quite well, to be honest. Now, obviously, it's not going to be as silent as, say, your Magic Keyboard from Apple, but it's still good enough. So that's what you're going to be able to do, and then you can delete it out. You've got your volume right there. You've got your brightness, which works really well. Caps lock shows the light there. So let me know what you think of that in the comment section down below. Is this something you would consider going for your iPad over the likes of the Apple keyboard case because it's a bit cheaper? I'll leave links in the description down below to where you can pick it up for yourself, and you can check it out and check out all the specs and the sizes and stuff like that, because I know there's a few more cases they do for the iPad Pro. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Is this something you would consider getting for your iPad? Thank you to Nillkin for sending this out. Absolutely fantastic. It looks great, looks the part. Let me know what you think. So if you like this, drop a like. If you love to drop a sub, turn notifications on, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all in the next one.